Hi, I'm Brian from Aillum, and in this video we are going to show you how to set up a universal Google Analytics property if you have already set up Google Analytics 4. Some people have set up Google Analytics 4 and want to revert back to universal analytics for the time being until Google Analytics 4 becomes a little bit more widely used. So to do that, log into your Google Analytics 4 property. You'll know if you're in Google Analytics 4, the menu will look like this down the left-hand side. Click on the cog down in the bottom left of the screen to click through to admin. In the resulting screen, you will see two columns. We're interested in the column in the middle, and particularly the Create Property button at the top of the page. Click on this. You'll find on the resulting screen that Google Analytics is trying to force you to set up another Google Analytics 4 property. So to get around this, the important part for you, if you scroll down, is this Show Advanced Options link. Click on this. After doing so, you'll see a slider over to the right-hand side, activating the ability to set up Universal Analytics. Scroll down another little bit. You'll have the option here to create Google Analytics 4 and Universal, or just to create Universal. So if you're completely new to Analytics, set up the first one. Given that you already have a Google Analytics 4 property, select the second one. Type in your domain name and scroll up to the top and give the property a name. And then scroll back down to the bottom of the page and click Next. The options on the resulting page are optional. You don't have to select any of them, so just click Create. On the resulting page, you will see your Universal Analytics Tracking ID and the Universal Analytics Code Snippet. Depending on the platform you're using for your website will depend on which of these you have to use. In some cases, you'll have to copy and paste the code snippet, and in some cases, you'll have to copy and paste the tracking ID. But at this point, you will have both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property that you can use on your website.